The best backyards don't take months to build or your life savings to maintain. They are simple, seamless, and ready when you are. Introducing Mont Alpi's modular outdoor kitchen islands, delivered fully pre-assembled, no contractors, no construction, no complexity, completely stainless steel for a clean, cohesive design that brings professional style to your outdoor space. And Mont Alpi is backed by a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is always protected. Each kitchen island features a powerful 6-burner built-in grill with an infrared rear burner, perfect for the rotisserie kit. Add an optional infrared side burner, and this grill can handle any cooking challenge you throw at it. Large stainless steel drawers glide open smoothly to keep all your tools within reach, and the spacious granite countertops provide ample prep area right next to the grill. Or prep anywhere you want with the included granite cutting board. These modular outdoor kitchens don't demand the hard work and headache of designing and constructing a permanent outdoor kitchen. Easily create a completely customized setup tailored to your needs with a sink, an outdoor refrigerator, even a 3-tap kegerator. Then take it with you if you move. The Mont Alpi Black Series 8-foot kitchen island, storage, prep space, and a 6-burner grill. Perfect for weeknight grilling with the family, or when you're all in a hurry. The 11-foot island adds a sink and a refrigerator, made for every backyard gathering. And for those serious about entertaining, when it comes to a game day gathering or a full-on backyard bonanza, the L-shaped kitchen island lets you create your perfect setup. When it comes to transforming your backyard, make it simple, make it seamless, make it Mont Alpi.